Hello lovelies, wash and achieve this homemade cappuccino. These are what I need to make this cappuccino coffee. I have milk. I will add teaspoon of coffee inside my machine. I will add the milk and I'll cover and program it. So there is, if you want more or less form, you just put it. So I put it in the less form, so I'll just do it for 2 seconds. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Follow me for more amazing videos. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Check out other of my videos. You might find the one that is helpful for you. So here it is ready. Once the light is off, it's ready, so you can pair with any biscuit of your choice. Enjoy. Keep following me. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Bye.